Hello, math learners. Welcome to MATH-JASTIN's mathematics lessons and techniques. So, our topic for today is all about the rational root theorem. So, let us begin. So, what is a rational root theorem? So, when we say rational root theorem in algebra, the rational root theorem states a constraint on rational solutions of a polynomial equation with integer coefficients, and solution of the equation are also called roots or zeros of the polynomial on the left side. So, based on that, so ang pinag-usapan natin dito is the root, no? Let's say the square root of 9. So, the possible root is 3 and negative 3 or positive and negative 3. So, kung check nyo, we have 3 times 3 is equal to 9, then negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to 9. So, let us proceed. The formula that we're going to divide the factor of the constant term, then the factors of the leading term. So, if you're familiar with constant term, that is the part of the polynomial equation that the term that has no variable. Then sa leading term naman, that correction that is its coefficient. So, we find the factor of the leading coefficient. Let's say the 2x squared. Let's say that with the yung sinasabi natin leading coefficient, that is the term that have the degree, such as, let's say, kung sa quadratic equation, what is the leading term? That term that has the x squared, such as the highest degree. So, yun po yun. So, let us have some video of how I discuss. So, based on my formula that I gave you a while ago in my presentation, so we have P over Q. So, the P stands as the factor of the constant term, then the Q stands as the factor of the leading coefficient. So, yun po. So, let's say we have number 1, x squared plus 8x plus 16. So, based on that,
that they're going
so
to
in
find
the
the
numerator
factor
part,
of the constant term
we just find the factor of the constant term. So, this is the constant term. Then, the leading coefficient such as dito. So, we have 1, no? Or, sa leading term na ito, we have the leading coefficient of 1. So, the factor, first, we find the factor of the 16. So, we have positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 3. Ay, 3 to the. So, we have positive negative 4, and positive negative 8, and positive negative 16. So, bakit po? So, in 16, we have 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4. Yan po. So, kahit balik na rin yun, no? So, maybe negative 1 and negative 8, or negative 2, or negative 8, and or negative 4, or negative 4. So, alin man dyan. So that's why I indicate the positive, negative. So, the factors of 1, automatically, we have positive, negative 1.
Like I said,
So, yan po. So, that you're going to divide all. So, like I said, in the leading coefficients such as the x squared, yung kanina ko po sinasabi, na that the value, that is 1. Kapag wala kayo nakikitang anuman na constant term regarding to the x squared, that is automatically we have 1. All of the values to the positive, negative 1. So, kung magiging results, shortcutin na lang natin. So, we have only how many roots we have? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, times 2, 10. So, because of this negative, that you all count also the negative. We have positive 1 and negative 1, and so on and so forth. So, paano natin ma-check? Sabi nga natin kung alin dito sa 10 na ito ang roots ng problem na ito. So, let's say, let us try at positive 4. Let us try positive 4. So, by synthetic division tayo. So, we have, ang target natin dito to make remainder at 0. So, if they are factorable, so we have the constant of 1, 8, and 16. So, bring down 1. We have 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Then 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So, we have 4 times 12 is equal to 48. So, kung i-add natin ito, we have 64. So, positive 4 is not factorable. So, how about the negative 4? So, we have, bababa natin yung positive 1. So, negative 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4. So, we have 8 minus 4 because unlike sign. So, we have 4. So, negative 4 times 4 is equal to negative 16. Then, 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So, negative 4 is the factor of the x squared plus 8x plus 16. So, di naman po require na hanapin yung kung ano yung tatama dito. Kung susubukan natin yan, baka masyado tayong tumagal. So, next. So, another example tayo. How about number 2? Number 2, we have 4x squared. 4x cubed na lang. Plus 2. So, gawin natin 2x plus, at least we have 10. So, we have 10. So, we are going to find the factor of the constant term. We have positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 5, and positive negative 10 by itself. So, the factors of 4, we have positive negative 1, positive negative 2, and positive negative 4. So, ang gagawin natin dito is to divide them. So, we are going to find 1 divided by 1 is equal to positive negative 1, positive negative 2. Automatically, yung first inaano natin dito ay... So, kung mapapansin nyo po dyan, no? Kaya, ganyan po yung mga we have positive negative 1 divided by positive negative 1 is equal to... Kasi, equivalent niya, we have 1 divided by positive 1 is equal to positive 1. Then, negative 1 divided by negative 1 is equal to positive 1. So, positive 1 divided by negative is equal to negative. So, that's why, kaya po, ganyan po, no? Clarification. I-divide natin una rito by terms tayo. Or, by terms. So, we have positive negative 2, we have positive negative 5, then positive negative 10. So, next, dito naman tayo proceed. So, we have positive negative 1 half. So, kasi ito. Next, positive negative 1. So, hindi pwede pong maulit ang terms. Halimbawa, pag nag-divide tayo, positive negative 1, ito na yun bakit mo pa uulitin? So, hindi na po ulitin yun. Next, we have... So, that computation is non-repeating zeros. No? So, in short, we have positive negative 5 divided by positive negative 2 is equal to positive negative 5 halves. Then, we have positive negative 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Tama? So, hindi na ulitin. Gaya po na sabi ko. Next, we have positive negative 1 divided by positive negative 4 is equal to positive negative 1/4. Next, we have positive negative 2 divided by positive negative 4 is 2/4. Kapag nilowest term natin siya is 1/2, kaya hindi na natin siya isusulat. So, next, positive negative 5 divided by positive negative 4 is equal to 5 halves. 5/4 rather, positive negative 5/4. So next we have positive negative 10 divided by positive negative 4. So we have positive negative 10. Kung ilalawstan natin siya ito, kaya hindi na natin siya isusulat. No? So, excuse me. How many roots we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Times 2, we have 16. 16 roots meron tayo rito sa ating given. So, isa man dyan ang maaaring mag-jackpot dito sa ating given na lumabas sa remainder. So, take note, no? So, sometimes merong ibang given. Let's say, halimbawa, that given we have x cubed, such as the highest degree is 3. It is possible that maring tatlo ang roots nyo. Maring tatlo, but not all the time. So, sometimes, merong ibang given, kung ilan ang highest degree ng leading coefficient is such as the 3. Maybe 3 roots. We have possible 3 roots. So, yun po, no? Ay, 0. Or if those terms that you want to choose is factorable in that given. So, another, we have 3x squared minus 8. So that we're going to have, again, factorize the constant term. So we have positive negative 1, positive negative 2, then positive negative 4, and positive negative 8. So next, we have only 2, 4 rather. We have negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 factors. So 8 roots. So that we're going to divide again. We have automatically positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 4, and positive negative 8. So we have positive negative 1/3. Automatic, no, dinidivide. Pagkatapos nating mayari itong lahat dito sa 1, so doon naman tayo sa 3. Kasi baka yung iba gawin, i-divide lahat ng magkakasabay. Mali po yun. So proceed na tayo. We have positive negative 2 divided by positive negative 3 is equal to positive negative 2/3. So we have next, we have positive negative 4 divided by positive negative 3 is equal to positive negative 4/3. So lastly, automatically we have positive negative 8/3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Times 2, we have 16. So, ang sasabi ko kasi rito yung mga positives, then at the rest na negative. Para hindi niya bibilangin ng ganon, bilangin nyo lahat, then times nyo sa 2. So, that is the quantities of root of the 3x squared minus 8. So, okay. That's all. So based in my formula okay, that's all. So I hope that you have learned something today. So don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more mathematics lessons. And add a public comment below my video if you have some questions or suggestions of the mathematics lessons that you want to learn more. So, by the way, please like my page, MATH-JASTIN's Mathematics Education Learning. So sometimes I send my written lectures on Facebook, like they said, is sharing is caring. No? As to not literal, my page is not a brainly blitz. As to like the brainly website that I tell you the answer based on your modules. No. That I send as additional trivia regarding to the lesson, and not to give some answers regarding to your module that you can't answer it. No? So, that is some clarification. So, okay. Yun po, magsasend ako ng mga lectures ko that you're going to have to review. Kung meron kayong hindi naintindihan, ayun, meron kayong notes. So, okay. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.